Hello guys, it must have happened to you that you want to manage several users remotely through the server. Or maybe you want to install a software only on the server and share it among several users. Here you need a domain server. Normally Windows clients are a member of a workgroup. To implement these features, you need these users to be member of a domain server. First, we need to install the domain server feature in Windows Server. Click Add Rules and Features option and follow the installation steps according to the video. Here, the initial installation is finished. Now you need to configure your domain server. In this field, you must enter the domain name of your server. Enter one password for your DSRM. The server config is finished. Now you have to add the clients to the domain. Here you need to restart the Windows. Pay attention when you join a Windows domain. You can enter it in two other ways. One way is to log in through domain user and one through the local user. Windows itself has written a guide like this. Here it says that if you want to log in through a domain user, you must first enter the domain name of the server and then the username of the domain server. In the same way, if you want to log in through a local user, you must first enter the name of the computer and then the user you have. Here we are going to enter Windows through the domain server admin. If you look at the network card of your Windows server, you will see that your DNS server is localhost. Now we are going to create a user in Windows. In this section, you can manage your domain server. One of its features is to view the computers that are member of the domain, and another feature is to create a user. After creating a user on server, log in to the client system and first make that system a member of the server domain. In the user system, we first ping the server to make sure the connection between the two systems. Now you should change your DNS to this IP. The last things to do is change a workgroup to domain. Easy computer name help you to locally log in easily. Here, just enter your domain server. You should log in here with the user that you have been created in the Windows server. The process of joining the domain server has ended. The domain server is used a lot. This is just the beginning. Now we sign out of Windows to enter it in two ways, domain and locally. You can see here the help. Pay attention, if you want to enter Windows locally, you must first enter the computer name. Thank you for following us. Please don't forget subscribe and like.